Holley everything, literally. Ryan McCain racing Bowser, as you see. Valdosta, we came out here Tuesday. Usually this race is like a week long, Tuesday to Sunday. Laps out 10, we end up bagging the win for small block nitrous, no time. As you can see here, it's a 1971 Datsun B110 1200 Sunny coupe. Long name, kind of rare, very rare. Stock style front suspension. That's kind of, you know, the only rules we got in our class series. Carbon fiber hood, carbon fiber trunk that we had to get a boat guy to make because nobody makes parts for it. Holley EFI system on board, controlling everything. Fuel pump, regulators, the whole 9 yards. Rear suspension 4-link, 275s on board. LSS block 434. Yeah, that's about it. It ain't much to it. You know, you got these other ECUs. I have tuned many different ECUs, and the things in the Holley kind of hit in like advanced tables that you can't, you know, mess with other systems. At the speed management with the V5, I guess 110, the 110 build it came out with, there's so much you can do with it. I'll play with y'all a little bit. Let's say I go 112 60 foot. I pull up my data log, scale it out to 0, lower than the 2 my active management. Usually get to show a whole graph of it. I copy my base, copy your retard B, retard A, and build like 100 RPM higher, like 400 RPM higher for B curve. If it tries to go any faster than 112, that's it. It'll basically, it tries to stop the tire. It's all based on dry shaft is what I use. So it's a badass invention. I mean, that's about it. Holley EFI system, about the best bang for the buck.